We have a staff over there.
Okay, thank you. Hey, come here, future.
We've just finished one. This is the only one we have finished. The rest are still to be finished.
Who is the HOD over here?
HOD home economics. The progress.
Mrs. Sangeeta Chan, and I'm the HOD Home Economics. Like if we see the home economics room compared with the old home economics room that we had, the facilities that we have here is it's a modern home ec room. So the students they will find it very interesting to have the classes in the home economics room with the cooking practicals, comparing with the appliances. Like we have got the modern appliances available in the home economics room, so that will obviously boost the students' performance. They will be able to learn how to use the modern appliances which is present in the home economics lab. Firstly, I would like to thank the management for building a new home economics lab with all the modern appliances, and it's a modern home economics room. So I would like to thank the management. I would also like to thank the Ministry of Education for providing whatever resources we needed, and I would like to thank the principal of our school, the vice principal, the assistant principal, for assisting in providing all the resources that we needed. We majority are females, but in some of the forms we have some male students as well who are taking home economics. We know that only girls, they usually take home economics, but I would like to encourage the boys as well, because some of the boys have got skills. They have got the talents in cooking as well. Not only cooking, but in sewing as well, especially in designing. So I would like to encourage them that they can utilize those skills. And some of the boys even take up jobs like chefs in hotels. So it's a good encouragement for the boys as well to take up home economics.